out on Sycamore Court today, Heritage Landing, to check out a second floor Bay Creek coach home. This home is located on a very quiet, private cul-de-sac. Your amenity center is right across the street there. Let's take a walk up. Nice big 2-car garage. This is a smart home, Ring doorbell, electronic entry. Big storage area. Nice big spacious garage. Nice big light tile on diagonal throughout your living areas. Dining area. You've got quartz countertops and white shaker cabinets throughout in the bathrooms as well. Huge walk-in pantry. Take a look at the master bedroom. Got his and her walk-ins in the master. Dual sink vanities, huge walk-in shower. What's nice about this floor plan is the separate guest wing that can be closed off. Got closet space here too. That can be closed off. Got your full-size washer and dryer laundry room on this side. Bathroom with a tub. And these bedrooms have nice size closets in them too. Quick peek outside, the best part, the view.